So today we will make a design suitable for the printing socks, and let's start with the Photoshop. And first we make one socks printing design, and we build a canvas here, and the parameter is the width, and here we select centimeter here, and here we make 45 centimeter because the socks length we measure is 45 centimeter. So here the resolution is 144 dpi, and RGB format, white background, and everything is fine, and build a canvas here. So this is for one sock, and we can try here if this artwork is a small element, and we can see it's dog, right? Dog, and we can see if it's continuous design, and make a copy, paste. We can see the body can be joined together, so means left and right is perfect, and then we see up and down if it's perfect. We see upside down and also perfect. So this design we can use here to make it on top, and the bottom layer here is also. So this is artwork. You can make the element to be like smaller, and you can make like a copy here. But the element is very small, so when you do a lot small element, maybe in printing it's not so perfect. So actually for this type we'll make 2 cycles. We just make this one here, and make a copy here, and this design is done, and make it save as TIFF format, and this Paris dog, and this is 45 by, this is the size, save as, yes. So this design is done, and we make another one here, centimeter, and we can make the dog here, this one here, yes. We must rotate it 180, right? 180. So this one to be top. Save as, Paris dog, and this is for one pair socks. Another type design, let's make another type design. And if you already have an artwork like in this size, and we need to change to current sock size, what to do? And we just put the design here. We can see the size, and we see this width we can change directly, and this size we can change 45 and 144 dpi, and yes. So the design is done for one sock. Smile face. TIFF format. Save. Yes. Yes. And another make design centimeter and 120 fields, and then you put this design here. Need to rotate 180. Okay. We must verify again. Wait. We must verify if this design is a continuous one. We can see the logo. The logo is connected together, so this is good. Let's not save. And this one we can save. TIFF format. There it is. Yes. So this is for one sock printing, and this is for 2 socks printing, and this is for 1 sock printing, and this is for 2 socks printing. So first the left and right must be connected, and then make 1 sock design first, and then make 2 socks design together.
Hi everyone, this is Lily from Print. Today we'll introduce you how to make a proper design for the sock printer. First, you have your own design, own socks, own style socks, and let's load the socks onto the printing roller and measure it. So let's load a paper, protective paper on the roller first. Not too loose, not too tight, because this paper function is to let you pull out socks more easily, reduce the friction. And we take off put a tape here. You can pull out easily. Make sure the black toe area is loaded onto the roller surface. If this type, when we print, it's all print here, so here part will be leak white. So must be like stretch flat on the roller. So 1 sock, another sock, and we see this is the heel part, right? And when we load the other socks, we must be sure the heel part is like balanced. This and this here. Okay, so we just load onto the printer, and it's like fixed on the roller. And here we have a foot pedal. We can like roll the roller to make the balance of the socks. And we can see the socks is stretched closer. And we can see the socks length, and we can measure it. You can see this is not flat. And we can see here, from here to here, it's 45, right? So on this side, 45. And so we make sure the left sock and the right sock to be same, and then we measure here from this top to here, also 45. And you have used the roller, 45. And we must stretch the socks over 45. Oh, hold on. 45. Here is 45. And we can last, make sure the heel part, it's, you see this is not flat, right? It's like too high, right? When we print, it will be like scratch the nozzles, so it's not nice. So we must stretch flat. 你是品牌的？Now here also same. And we can try to see the move the carriage out and make sure the highest part of the heel and the toe not touch the nozzle surface. You see? Oh, 右边。So like we twist one, not touch the surface, right? Because the printing is fast. If the heel part is too high, it may scratch the nozzles. So it's not good for the print head.转一圈，看一下 logo 什么。转一圈，现在还不能动。这个是护中 logo，这个是前 logo。